Hi friends, this is the photo of Chinmoy Das, who is the leader of organization ISKCON. Chinmoy Das is very uh, famous now. He is strongly protesting against Bangladesh interim government activity. He is not interested anymore to the interim government of Bangladesh. He just support the exile Awami League party. They cannot accept other political party in Bangladesh. Most recently, 70 kilogram gold found in the house of these ISKCON leaders, and more than 9,000 million taka has found in their house. This is very bad matter for Bangladesh, that they are not supporting independence of Bangladesh. They just want that India will take the whole Bangladesh, and they will occupy Bangladesh by India. Friends, other thing that the Indian leaders in India are burning the flag of Bangladesh. Indian BJP and RSS party leaders are doing that kind of criminal activity by burning flag of Bangladesh. So Bangladeshi people will boycott India. They will boycott Indian products. They will not go to India for travel, and Indian economy will be destroyed. So Indian leaders support Chinmoy Das, the ISKCON party, who are not supporting independence of Bangladesh. For that reason, we will boycott India, Indian products, Indian leaders, Indian everything, Indian TV channels. Now we are not interested anymore to India, because India occupied last 16 years whole Bangladesh by the fascist lady Sheikh Hasina, who has already took asylum in India. So we will not interested anymore to India, but India is using ISKCON party in Bangladesh to eliminate interim government of Bangladesh, and they just want only one party will come to governance in Bangladesh, and that is Awami League party. But Bangladeshi people does not support that Awami League party will take governance in Bangladesh, because Awami League party work as a servant of India. They brought many detectives from India in Bangladesh. They brought many high level, high powerful soldiers from India to Bangladesh. That is the bad activity for Bangladesh independence did Awami League in Bangladesh last 16 years. Bangladeshi students demonstrate against the Awami League party, and they went away from Bangladesh. Now, interim government does not interested to work as the order from India. So India is using this type of ISKCON leaders who is demonstrating in Bangladesh against the interim government. They are telling that interim government are torturing on Hindu religious people, but it is a false declaration from them. And that is not true that Indian government is torturing on Hindu religious people. Um, they just want to telling the world that Indian government is not helpful for Hindu religious people. Actually, they are telling all lies about the torture on Hindu religious people because they want to bring again power the Awami League party in Bangladesh governance. But Bangladeshi people does not want that. Uh, ISKCON want that, and the Indian leaders want that. For that, why Indian leaders are using now ISKCON organization in Bangladesh to demonstrate against the interim government of Bangladesh. Bangladesh people now boycotting ISKCON organization and their leaders because they are not the supporter of independence of Bangladesh as like the Indian leaders. Okay friends, that's all. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.